Hey guys, it's Tara and I'm going to be doing a tutorial today on 11.3a PPA 142 Find Perimeter Challenge. In this you're going to be finding some circumference, perimeter, and a little bit of both in some of them. So you're going to solve that and answer the famous Honolulu typing school. As you can tell, some of them look a little tricky, but they are easy to solve, as you will see in these examples. So we're going to start with number 3. As you can see here in the yellow, these two parts actually come together to make a circle. And this line right down the middle, this 10 meters, is going to be our diameter. So we're going to use d times 3.14. So 10 times 3.14 would leave us with 31.4 is the circumference. So next we're going to focus on these purple parts, and we're going to add the 8 meters together, and we get 8 plus 8 equals 16 meters. So now to find the total perimeter, you're going to take these two and add them together, which gives us 47.4 meters. So let's move on to number 6. So here we have this odd looking shape, and we're going to take this 5.3, 6.2, and then this 5.3 over here, and we're going to add them together to start, and we get 16.8. So now we want to find the circumference here of this circle. So we're going to take this 6.2 as our diameter here, and we're going to find it by taking that and timesing it by 3.14. By doing this, we get 19.648. But now that's the circumference of this whole circle. In this shape, we only have half of it, so we're going to divide that by 2. That's going to give us 9.374, which will be our answer. And then we're going to add 16.8 and 9.374 together, and we get 26.534 meters. Now, the most important part of these problems is to make sure you label your answer. So in these two problems, they were meters, but they could be centimeters, etc. So good luck on these problems and have a great day.